Hi, friends. It's Wednesday, April 28th, 2021, and for FCX sake. Yeah, I couldn't turn that up, that opportunity, because what it kind of sounds like. All right, anyway, so FCX, all right, copper. You can trade copper options. In the case that's what you're looking to do, is to get a little exposure to copper, right? A commodity. It has high liquidity, a low IV rank, so that puts us in the territory for buying a little premium, but of course improving our odds as much as possible. So we're going to look at a long call vertical today. If that sounds interesting to you, then this just might be the video for you to watch. Let's hop on in, shall we? Hi, everybody. My name is Neil, and I'll briefly tell you this is Option Theory, and I do appreciate all of your views. And if you stick around to the end, I'll tell you how you can join us and make this an interactive channel that we do 5 videos a week. So hopefully that content will help you. It helps me. That's why we do it, right? Okay. On screen here, I've changed my theme. I actually just noticed that I had a comment a while back that said, using colorful language, how I got my Thinkorswim to look the way I usually have it. And so I'm wondering if some people just turn off my videos because they think I'm using an older version and it's an old video. It's not. There's a little, in the settings, in the setup button up there, you can change your Thinkorswim to the old school toss, which I tend to like better because I like the gold lettering rather than this white lettering. But I wanted to mention that real fast. Anyway, let's come on over here to the charts tab. Yesterday's trade was laser, and it went down on us over there. So the naked put that we sold got hurt, but our ratio that we put in the IRA did all right. Not amazing, but hey, it worked out better than the naked put. So let's type in here FCX. Sorry, that's the sound of my dog. He can't find a comfortable spot to lay in right now. So he'll probably make some more noise, but yeah, here we go. And we got FCX pulled up here. We see that it's been up quite a bit, hence the low IVR, but it's been on a steady march upwards. So if we'd like to ask it to continue to do that, we're going to do that using calls. Let's go over to the Analyze tab. Let's go to Add Simulated Trade. We're going to be in the the June 4th weeklies with 37 days to expiration as of today. And I have it set to the ratio that we saw over there. Let's just go to single. And we're going to be buying the 37, and we're going to be selling the 39. So remember, the tasty trade mechanics for buying a long call vertical is buy in the money, sell out of the money, right? Sell stuff that has extrinsic value only. So here we're looking at collecting $1.06. Sorry, not collecting $1.06. Paying $1.06, so we pay slightly more than we can make. And that's okay, because it's a $2 wide, right? So that usually means we'll have better probabilities. Well, let's see what those probabilities are, shall we? Let's go to the risk profile, and let's make sure our date in the top right corner is set to the date we see in turquoise, June 5th. In the bottom left corner there, June 5th. There you are. Our expected move is now here, so I can see a little bit outside of it. A little bit outside of it. I got 3 price slices. No, thank you. I would like one to show me where my break even is at expiration. And we're looking at a 50-50 for the most part, just slightly better than 50-50 probability of making a profit at expiration. But our P50, according to Tastyworks for this very same trade, is nearing that 60% mark. So but here is saying 58% probability that we'll be able to take off, let's call it $45 in the next 37 days, I believe it was. So if you like that kind of a trade, I get that some people would prefer to do just maybe a long call, but in this case, it costs you less. Yes, you cap your gains. So I'm wondering, are you going to consider doing just a long call, paying for that outright, or do you want to do a long call vertical, limit your maximum profit potential, but take better probabilities? I'd love to hear from someone other than spam comments at one of these videos. It's been a while. All right, cool. So I want to right-click that trade, choose Confirm and Send, and then here we see our max profit and our max loss. You could lose $106 if copper decides to drop. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and hit send. That's going to put it into my working orders. And yeah, we've got a couple of good till cancels. It looks like GM is marching towards that 50%, that mark that we set with our The special order type that we explored, I think we explored that one last Monday on how to set a first order triggers the good till canceled order. We did that last Monday. Hopefully I'll put a card up there for you in case you're interested. So you can, if you're like me and you can only trade before work or after work, these kind of things help you to be able to set a trade that once it fills, triggers the next closing trade at the price that you'd like. So anyway, if you've made it this far into my video, big thumbs up to you. There's no button for me, but there is a button for you if you felt that this video deserves it. I do appreciate when you hit that like button. And I told you if you stuck around to the end, I'd tell you how you can join us. It's 2 steps. Head to the description. Step 1, sign up for Tasty Trades Cherry Bombs, because that's where this trade came from. Their email list. It's not my email list. I don't get any bonuses or kickbacks or anything. They send me an email 5 days a week, 4 trade ideas a week. I like to put them on using Thinkorswim's simulated trading so that I can hone my skills, practice my mechanics, and just get overall better. I hope you'll join us. The second step would be to subscribe and ring the bell. The bell lets you get notified when these videos come out. I do appreciate you, and I look forward to seeing you in tomorrow's Cherry Bomb. Until then, everyone, may the market move with you.